So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Temu. So first of all, open the Temu app. After that, you can see at the bottom home, categories, you and the cart. You can also see the search bar at the top part of the page. Now through here, click on you. After that, you can see your orders, messages, reviews, history, addresses, and following. You can see a settings or a gear icon in the top right corner. Click on that. Then you can see account security, privacy, permissions, safety center, payment methods, country region, and many more options underneath. So go to account security. Through here, you can see your mobile phone number, email, password, two-factor authentication, third-party accounts, and some other options as well. Now through here, click on email. You can see the edit button next to it. Click on that. On here, you will see the option enter a new email address. Please enter a new email address you would like to associate with your account below. Once you've typed out an email address that you use more commonly or you just wish to use to this account, you can click on continue. And after that, you will see it changed. You just need to follow the prompt. So it's quite simple, but make sure that you do that before verifying your email, since after that, it's going to be a bit harder to change your email preferences in Temu. So that's about it. Just follow these steps, go to account security. After that, go to your email and try to do that before you verified the email, and just verify it if you're sure you're going to be using that email address a long time. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Temu or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.